Good morning, dear friends. Myself, Dr. Vikrant Palekar. I am working as an assistant professor in Gokhale Education Society's Arts, Commerce and Science College, Jawar, Palghar. In last video, we have seen the overall course content for TYBSc class, subject-wise, for 5th semester and 6th semester, for theory and practical course. Now, in this particular video, I'd like to highlight on organic chemistry paper, that is third paper. It is having the course code US CH 503. It will be for 60 lecture. First we will see the semester 5 course, and in the first unit you will be having the first topic, mechanism of organic reaction. Under this you will be having the different subtopics such as the basic concepts related to bond fission, reaction intermediate, electrophiles, what are the nucleophiles, ligand, electrophilicity and nucleophilicity. You will be also having the topics such as neighboring group participations, then acyl nucleophilic substitution, pericyclic reaction, electrocyclic reactions, cycloaddition reactions and so on. So this is how you can find the course content. And below the course you will also find the reference books. These reference books you can also refer in order to study the above topics. Then the second topic will be on the photochemistry. Under the photochemistry you will be having the sub 3 topics. First one will be the introduction, then the different photochemical reactions, the terms involved in it, then photochemistry of carbonyl compounds. These are the reference books you can see. So in unit number 1 you will be having the two topics, that is mechanism of organic reaction and second will be on photochemistry. While the unit number 2, first topic is stereochemistry. So in order to study the stereochemistry you will be having the terms related to molecular chirality and element of symmetry. Then you will be also having the topic related to chirality of compounds with stereogenic center, that is cumulines and biphenyls. These are the reference books which they have given, that also you can refer. Then you will be having the second topic, that is agrochemicals. Agrochemicals, you will be having the introduction to agrochemicals, different terms involved, advantages and disadvantages of agrochemicals. Then synthesis of two agrochemicals, that is indole acetic acid and endosulfan, and last is you have to see for the term biopesticide. Third topic will be on the heterocyclic chemistry, where you have to see the reactivity of pyridine N oxide, quinolines, isoquinolines and its preparation and reactions of three moieties, pyridine N oxide, quinoline and isoquinoline. These are the reference books they have enlisted. In unit number 3 you will be having the first topic, that is IUPAC nomenclature. This particular topic you are studying from the FIBSc level for aliphatic compounds, aromatic compounds, bisubstituted compounds, cyclic compounds. But for this year you will be having the different classes of organic compounds. These are bicyclic compounds. Bicyclic compounds are spiro, fused and bridged compounds that may be saturated or unsaturated. Then you see the nomenclature for biphenyls, then cumulines, quinolines and isoquinolines. So these are the 4 different molecules you have to see for the IUPAC nomenclature. Then the next topic under third unit will be synthesis of organic compounds, where you will having the topic related to introduction, then the multi-component synthesis of Mannich reaction and Bignelli reaction. Then you have to see the important and very applicable topic related to green chemistry and its synthesis. You have to see the principles of green chemistry and topics related to green reagents, starting material, solvents and green catalyst. Then in last you have to also see how we can plan for synthesis of organic compounds. So there are some molecules where you have to plan for their synthesis. 4 different molecules are given that we can see, the reference are enlisted. In the last unit, that is unit number 4, you will be having the first topic, that is spectroscopy 1. In this, you need to study the spectroscopic techniques. First is introduction. What is the spectroscopy? You will understand in this particular unit. Then you have to perform 2 spectroscopy only. First one is UV visible spectroscopy, the terms related to UV spectroscopy and visible spectroscopy, and second one is mass spectroscopy, just the basic theory and some of the terms related with the mass spectroscopy. For that, the reference books also given. The second unit under second topic under 4th unit is natural products. So you have to see the terms related to terpenoids, citral, alkaloid, introduction and its occurrence, then nicotine, hormones. So these are the descriptive topics they are given. So this is how the 4 units has been classified in the different subtopics. So this is a syllabus what I have discussed is for the 4th unit. So 4 units are you have to study for theory class, and for the practicals you need to perform the practicals from first one is separation of binary solid mixture. So you will be given the mixture of 2 components. Already in your earlier classes you have performed the organic qualitative analysis. One mixture will be given to you and then you try to find out what are the functional group involved in it by carrying out different tests such as preliminary test, then solubility test, then type determination, then functional group determination, then physical and chemical properties. This is how. But here you will be given the solid mixture which will be of type, let us say, acid, phenol, phenol base, or base neutral, or acid neutral. The different mixtures will be given. So based upon that you have to find out the type. Suppose the type is acid phenol. So this is how you can find the type. Then one of the component you have to find out for the organic quality. Once you find the type, you have to carry out the separation of that particular component. You have to perform separation of the 2 components. Let us say acid separate, phenol separate, and one of the component you need to find out for organic qualitative analysis. Let us say you have to carry out the first preliminary test, then element detection, then functional group detection, then confirmatory test, and then physical and chemical property. So this is how you have to perform the practical course. It is expected that you should perform at least 6 experiments from different solid mixtures. So this is a course for practicals. For the practicals also you can go through the reference book enlisted on the university website, or you can also use the handbooks which are there inside your library section. So these handbooks you can carry at the time of examination, where you can also see the what are the different tests for the reference. So this is the syllabus for the 5th semester. So overall you can see the organic chemistry paper will be for 150 marks, 100 for theory and 50 for practical course. Presently I am just discussing the 5th semester course only. So once you go through the syllabus, you will start one by one each and every topic as per your applicability. So this is a syllabus. Go through it, download it from the university website. You can keep it with you as a for the reference. Very soon we will start the different topics under it one by one. Thank you.